What's up, everyone? I just got these in the mail today. They are my 8-inch NECA Texas Chainsaw Massacre figures. This is the regular Leatherface. Comes with a mallet and the chainsaw. Blood stains on the shirt and the apron. Close-up of his face. Not a big fan of the head sculpt, but it's alright. Then we have the Pretty Woman. NECA did a good job on the head sculpt. Really like the detail on the face. Accurate close to the movie. It's got some like dirt stains and blood stains on the pants. And I believe this figure hasn't actually been released yet, but I was able to get it. I think it comes out in like July. Pretty cool figures though. I like how NECA is re-releasing some figures that are 8-inch with real fabric clothes. Thanks for watching, guys.